Today my video guide will help you to remove the new ransomware type infection that is called SSOI. SSOI is the ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This video will demonstrate to you how damaging this ransomware is. The purpose of any ransomware is to encrypt the data on the system and then to demand from the victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. This is exactly what the SSOI ransomware does with the files. Before the ransomware attack, definitely you can open any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data pretty easily. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this SSOI ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and because of that you will not be able to use your data anymore. The ransomware encrypts the files and then tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. As I have said before, this ransomware is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. After customers restart their computers or turn their computers on, they suddenly notice that something really bad has happened with the files and that they cannot use the data anymore. Indeed, the ransomware adds the special extension to the files, and the extension is called SSOI. So whenever you try to open the specific file, you get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file. Another problem is that removing this extension manually, of course, does not decrypt the file. You still cannot access your data. Well, there are certain recommendations I would like to give you right now on how to possibly stop any further file encryption. You may open the task manager of your computer, and if you find any suspicious processes like this one running in the background, you should terminate it by right-clicking on it and ending its task. This can help you save some of the files from being damaged by this ransomware. Now you need to remove the ransomware, and my recommendation is that you use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware for this purpose. You may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the installer, run the installer, and then start checking your Windows computer with the help of Combo Cleaner. I forgot to mention that this particular ransomware, SSOI, only damages Windows computers and Windows files. It doesn't attack Mac computers, even though Combo Cleaner has got the version for Macs too. Initially, Combo Cleaner is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware or ransomware detection and removal. And then after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins researching the system. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature is the part of the premium license only, but it allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats, and we recommend you to upgrade to Premium. Combo Cleaner Premium license will help you to remove these threats altogether automatically and to protect your data from any damage that could be caused by the ransomware.